Hello everyone, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be using this Folk Art Velvet Crush 2-step kit from Plaid. And like I said, it's 2 steps. The first step that you use is the tinted adhesive. And then the second one is the flocking powder. They suggest using a mask for this flocking powder. I'm using it on these nutcrackers that I got at Dollar General on clearance last year. Unfortunately, I'm using a different camera today and I didn't realize I was off screen most of the time, but I'm going to add a layer of the tinted adhesive. I'm doing it in steps so that the adhesive doesn't dry up. So I do a generous amount on there, and I took the cap off because the little spout inside is just too hard for me. So I took the whole cap off. So I do a generous amount of the tinted adhesive and then spread the flocking over it. It's similar to glitter, and like glitter, it gets all over the place too, so be careful. That's probably why they suggest using a mask. So like I said, I'm doing it in steps, and I'm gonna wait till the one side completely dries before doing the other side. So it takes about an hour or so for it to dry, and then probably several more hours for it to completely dry. But in the end, I'll show you how it turned out. I truly apologize for my camera work today, and unfortunately I only had these 2 little nutcrackers to try on and I couldn't redo it. So I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to share here. And the Plaid Velvet Crush comes in 10 colors, so check them out on plaidonline.com, and you can use my code. I have it linked down in the description box below. And let's continue with the project. This material does give it a nice velvety touch on the item that you're using. That use it on glass. You can use it on flat surfaces like a jewelry box. I guess whatever you want to try to add it, you can. What would you try it on? I'll leave it in the description box below. Check out at the end the transformation of these little nutcrackers. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with this new Velvety Crush from Plaid. Make sure to pour the excess back into the bottle. You can use this again and again until you run out.